Tell me something about you. Something you've never told anyone else.
I'm a rapper. There are 80,000 native Irish speakers in Ireland.
Ní fac, I chéad gan teanga ach lá náisiúm.
3 of us have become rappers.
You may know the words, but you don't understand the language.
Is when you real for horse from Kiln?
George go studio again.
What?
Agus wrench beats.
Can you like? Well, you hear Abbey Road, eh? Abbey what? Agus seo boys, and Roland 808. You honestly are gonna be yes real like full culture if we like grammar. When she's blast us, been the dairy seeing hip hop. Good you on your. Do I look like I want to read subtitles? Ian, dog, tree.
Consider this here's the knock at the door before the knock at the door. Him and his wee pals' music. It's drawn attention from all the wrong places.
Nothing but a H-double-O-D, low-life scum.
We'll end up face down in an alley.
You have a life, a career, a future. Remember, I can take it all away from you like that.
Special delivery. Hey! No more music.
Every day I am not captured is a psychological victory against the occupiers.
Kneecap, so-called Irish language rappers promoting antisocial behaviour and violence.
Stay for the talk of enough time, it's just useless.
I never want to see you again.
I never want to see you again.
Well, look who it is. Bone thugs and no harmony.
But those hoots have to say this city doesn't need to be hearing.
He's here asserting his right to speak Irish.
A Belfast band has been criticised for chanting anti-British slogans.
Gach focal Gaelic literature. Sé pille, a skilter or some search in the heron. Agus Billy or Shillavik.
Why don't you just speak the Queen's English? Oh, come on, let's go. Maybe can't you see the fucking cringy Dr. Drainer out again?